Here's the last of the C3s at Unique Specialty and Classics. That's why it's a collector's edition. 1982 Chevrolet Corvette collector's edition. One of 6,759 made. L83 350 small block Chevy power underneath the hood. That is paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Odometer reads a little over 12,000 miles on this one, and that is believed to be actual from information passed between ownership. Take a look at the front nose, fascia, and as you can see, the paint shows very well on the front of this car. Lots of times up in these headlights and the nose, you start to get a lot of little rock chips. Yes, there's a couple maybe have been touched up. You can even see that right there. But overall, paint in this car, it shows splendid. It will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the price of this vehicle, and it may be extendable out to 10 years. So consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Also equipped with power steering, power brakes, AC. If you want to call in, phone number 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. Turbine style wheels. This color would be considered silver beige metallic, and this would be the color of all the collector edition cars. Little two-tone highlights going on with the graphics on it. And I did this video with the T-tops in. I don't know if I can really get it to pick up. I think you can kind of see it. But this is the special bronzed glass, so it does have the correct T-tops in it. And they are also in nice shape, no doubt about that. It will have the two-tone silver bronze leather interior. We're going to get around to the driver's side. Check that out here in just a bit. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. As we take a look at the rear of this car. Another thing I want to mention is we have an open door policy. If you'd like to have somebody check this car out for you, maybe you can't make it yourself due to time or distance, like a third-party inspector give you their opinion, feel free to. Not a problem, nothing to hide in this car. We try to represent them as fairly as we can with the walk-around video, all the pictures, and of course you'll be able to see kind of a bird's eye view of what it's like to ride in this car with the driving video. And as you've noticed walking around this, it's just, there's no major nicks, dings, or scratches. Let's take a look at this interior. Now it has had a little different interior light added to it, obviously with the blue hue to it. Take a look at the armrests and door panels, and these, that'd be original. Same as the heat seats with that silver beige and then the two-tone, as you can see, and really not a lot of wear on them considering this is a 1982. Power seat over here on the driver's side. Also power locks, power mirrors, and power windows all on this one. 1982. I don't believe you could get a 4-speed. They all had to be automatic transmissions in 82. This one has the AM, FM, 8-track player. Guess what? That 8-track player works. We're going to try it out. Tilt and telescopic wheel also. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Hear it run. Make sure we're in park. Just so you know what you heard there is the 8-track. Great sounding stereo in here, especially 8-track. Think of that. Very cool. All right, how about those gauges? We have temp gauge. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that to be up. We're going to be on high idle a little bit until it warms up. Also, fuel gauge. Quartz clock. That'll be the only C3 that you see the clock says quartz on it. That was going to be something new that went into the C4 platform. Oil pressure and battery. And that clock is even working. That's pretty cool. Of course, you would eject 8-track there. And here's your AM FM. Let's go ahead and check out that radio. So AM FM also working. Here's your power windows, power mirrors. Take a look at the rest of this dash. Slip around in the back of this, get an idea how it sounds. Like I said, I'll let it warm up here a little bit. We'll get it off that high idle, get a little lower idle running on it. In here sounds good. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, interior. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let me get the hood open. And we'll check out this engine bay, wrap this video up. All right, hood popped. Underside of the hood itself, take a look at that. Nice and clean. And the trouble light or engine light working there. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. As you can tell by listening, it has warmed up and it's down idling on the low idle. Previous owner of this vehicle, extremely fussy customer of ours. No offense if you're watching this video, but his stuff is always nice. We've serviced it for him. Things are well taken care of, and it shows on this one. It's a beautiful car, and you just don't see these every day. All right, good look at the engine bay. We better do our headlights. See those around there if I make the stretch here. I already know what they're going to do if they're his. They're going to work nicely. Boom. Alright. Something else I wanted to show you quick is I guess let me show you here too. There's a release for a rear latch. Rear hatch, I should say. Right there it is. So rear hatch latch. Want to show you carpeting, everything back here, beautiful. Of course, the storage bags for the T-taps, keep those looking as good as they are, and then you would have your privacy cover, come down latch like that, also in great shape. Wow, one of the last of the C3s, 1982 collector's edition. Remember, it's going to come with that 3-month 500-mile warranty protection plan. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. Want to consult with a sales associate? A protection plan may go out to 10 years. 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we're going to assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Definitely one of the nicer Corvettes that I've ridden in lately. Everything I'm looking at seems to work. We've got all the gauges working, all the accessories. This car has cruise. We'll check that in just a minute. Acceleration is very good. Automatic on the center console, so it's easy to drive. Radio is working well. Cruise does not appear to function. That's the only thing I can find here that is not. We even have 8-track on the radio for functionality. Air conditioning is blowing cold. Our temperature is just coming off of 100. Fuel gauge is reading almost full, and oil pressure is over 40. Volts are over 14. Power multiple way adjustable seats. windows. This has some glass T-tops mounted right now, which is an awesome feature to have. Great looking paint in a color that you don't usually see. And complementary colors on the inside of the car as well. That kick down is working great. If I let go of the steering wheel, this car stays nice and straight. Comfortable factory bucket seats. This car handles and feels like a low-mile vehicle. Definitely take a look at all the pictures and read all about it at uniqueclassiccars.com.